This is the story of my 1996 Honda Delsol SI. So basically this is going to be a couple of clips and videos from the time that I bought the car till basically what you see in front of you here. So I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment down below, and I will see you when we get back here.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside then.
On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up.
Any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now.
Okay, that's not supposed
I
to.
know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Now, see now, beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
Sure.
Things that you're feeling, capture your body, get your best side, breathe in the world, fake us a smile, walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll bring.
So now that you guys are basically caught up to just about everything, as you can see, the whole car is put back together, since I did the valve lash anyway from that last picture. Yeah, got the eBay whale penis in here. Was cheap, so I had to get it since I had the stock airbox on this car. Currently today I am putting a new valve cover gasket on it because this thing likes to leak. So I got to take care of that before I take it to the dyno. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into this. Alright, so I just got the valve cover off. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the spark plug tube seals if I can. Oh, okay. Well, those just fucking pop right out then. Shit. Sorry about that shitty filming. I'm new to this. Get all those out, and then I'm gonna put the new ones in, and I will see you guys when I do that. Alright, got the valve cover in, or valve cover gasket in. Now I'm just taking some RTV, the black stuff, and we're gonna just kind of dab it along the edges here. And I like to kind of smear it with the top of the thing, so it saves me from getting my finger dirty, because this stuff is not fun. Okay. There's 4 corners. Get this one some more. Got all the corners dabbed up. Should be nice. I also did the spark plug tube seals just a smidge. Let's go ahead and get this on the car. Alright, now we gotta do these. And I actually have to take these apart. So I gotta take the silver little kind of cap washer dealio thing here, and I gotta take that off because the rubber piece that I have here is gonna go underneath my coil on plug rail place. I don't know what you want to call it. But anyway, they're gonna go under here and it'll make the shit seal. So yeah, I'm gonna put those in and I'll be right back. All right, now I got them separated from the glue, so I can go ahead and slip these guys in like that. Oh wait, shit. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's pull that off first, make my life easier. And then set these guys down. Washers wanted to stick on again. And the reason I have to take these washers off, just because with this specific coil on plug kit, or setup anyway, with that aluminum piece, it raises the coil packs too high and they don't touch the fucking spark plugs. So as you can see, that would cause some problems. So once I put all the grommets in there, then I get to take my fancy piece, put it on top, and then I can take the top washers and put them on there. Just like that. So I'm gonna get all the bolts on, and then I'm gonna take the intake pipe off, so that way I can go ahead and drain the gas out of this thing. All right, pardon the background noise. Like I said, I live on a main road and it's, traffic time, so gotta make do with what we got. Yeah, I just got done tightening down all the valve cover bolts, so they're all tight. I am now going to go ahead and get this guy off. So if I'm not mistaken, I put a 10 mil here, and I would be correct. Oh, of course, the socket has to have oil on it now. And bolts pulled. Where'd my flathead go? I need to grab that. This. Back here. Oh shit. Not too big of a flathead for this job, but I think it'll do. Okay. And then, pretty sure I can just kind of, how would I do this? There we go. Something like that. Get caught up on some shit. Oh god. Okay. This. Yeah. So now, gotta undo that line and figure out how to get gas from that into a gas can. So when I figure that out, I will return to you guys. I plan shit while you handpick motherfuckers giving up transcript. I let the niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the west side ride the night. All eyes on me. Alright, now that I got the gas out, well, almost out, pretty much out, I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing back together. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Alright, well, that's gonna go ahead and conclude it for this video. So if you guys like what you see here and want to see more, the next video is gonna be this car going to the dyno and seeing what it does after the dyno. Not sure if I'm gonna have dyno footage, but we will see what happens. So like I said, if you guys like, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.
Surreal.